doing? Somebody's eating. Come over here. Come over here, guys. Yeah. Oh, yeah, pull out the collar. Stop it. You got one on you too, little lady. Uh-oh. This ain't gonna last long. Stop it. Leave her be. You have one on too, princess. Princess. Stop it. They're terrible with these collars. I don't like them at all. Those are my two girls with the collars and the rest are boys. Stop it. Look at what they do. Aren't they horrid? Stop it! God, I know you're the only one. You're like, yeah, okay, I won't do it. I'm a good boy. You're a good boy. Yeah, you are. And they're still choking her to death. Holy God, I'm going to have to go save her. Okay, oh, look at you, chunky monkey man. Ooh, close up. Hold on, I'm going to too steady here. Another handsome boy. Hey! Hey! Killer's over there. Leave her be. Ah, we broke it! Oh, that's a little girl. Isn't she pretty? She's pretty. Michelle, you're really pretty. You're a very pretty girl. R2, I like you. Yes. And your brother is now eating your little collar that I now have to go fix. Brat. Stop it, dude. No, it didn't work. Yeah. Monkeys. And there's my little girl. Yeah, she hates yours too. Okay, stop it. That's it. I gotta save this thing. Hey, little girl. Come here, princess. Princess with the necklace. Princess with the necklace. Whoa. Come here, princess. Yeah, I know it itches. But you're so pretty. You look really cute, lady. Yes, you do. Oh, boy. We found it. Okay, now they're gonna get you. Okay, the big attack. Alright.